How to make Instagram top 6 favorite moments from 2025 8 years story. First you have to simply go to the Instagram. Now here you notice that at the top there is a templates option. Simply tap on this one. Now scroll down below. So here at the trending template section there is a top 6 favorite moment from 2025 8 years trend. You need to simply tap on this one. And now here you can randomly upload 6 different pictures from your phone gallery. So I want to just upload 6 different pictures from my gallery. So here you notice that I can easily create top 6 favorites moments from 2025 8 years Instagram story. You need to simply tap on check mark, and here you notice that I have successfully created the Instagram story top 6 favorite moments from 2025. So now I want to go to the Instagram story section. So here you notice that I have successfully created the Instagram story of top 6 favorite moments from 2025 8 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.